Today I'm going to show you how to make zoom in and zoom out effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's go to the timeline. First we will drag the footage in timeline. Here is the footage, then cut it your favorite point. We will move the video up. Then create a color math. I will select the black color. Then leave it the color matte in timeline. Select this layer. Then we will go effect control and decrease the scale. Turn on the keyframe and decrease the scale again. And play the video. Look, here is a create a zoom out effect. Then I will create a zoom in effect. Go to the first and turn on the scale value and go forward and increase the scale value like 75%. Then play the whole video. Look, here is the create effect. Thank you so much guys for watching the video.